A mysterious disease that can have a devastating impact, especially on children, has now made its way to West Michigan.
Barton Dieters tells us what the prevalence of this polio-like disease means for you. Barton?
Brian and Meyerly, it's called acute flaccid myelitis, AFM. And there's a lot science does not know about it. But what we do know is one child in Ottawa County has been infected.
Currently, we are probably at one of the highest levels of cases we've seen across the country.
Health officials are saying little about the victim other than it is a child and is one of the suspected cases we heard about back in October. In Michigan so far, there are 4 confirmed cases of disease. AFM breaks down this way. Acute means sudden onset. Flaccid means loose or droopy muscles, and myelitis means inflammation of the spinal cord. The disease can hit adults, but mostly it strikes children.
Is that somebody might have a virus or a fever. So it tends to be you have another illness prior to this, and then you can develop AFM.
The CDC is not exactly sure what causes it. It could be related to West Nile virus and mosquitoes, but they do know it comes on suddenly.
Sudden weakness in a muscle or a limb, facial droop, slurring of speech. If that comes on suddenly, definitely get right to the emergency room.
Effects differ person to person, but they can be life-changing.
Some folks get better. They do improve. Some do have lifelong disabilities.
With 4 cases, Michigan is lower than some surrounding states that have between 12 and 9, and Texas has 24. There are more than 165 cases nationwide.
This has been very high. 4 cases is incredibly high. I think I found one other year, and a suspect case another year. So this has not been something that we've seen in Michigan before.
However, in a state of nearly 10 million people, perspective is important.
It's concerning, yes, but we definitely don't want anybody to panic. It is very rare. Like I said, this is only 4 cases in the entire state.
Now, avoiding AFM is really no different than avoiding most illnesses. Stay up to date on vaccines, especially the polio vaccine. Avoid mosquitoes, avoid sick people, and as always, wash your hands. We have more links and a lot more information from the CDC at woodtv.com. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24 Hour News 8.